This is a portable, rechargeable vacuum from MELOHO. It's great for your car or inside the house, just to vacuum small, quick spots. As you can see, it holds a good amount of dust and dirt. It does come with a spare filter, the charging cord, some accessories, and a bag. The vacuum is very easy with a switch. Easily pick up dirt. There's also a switch right here for light. It's very easy to empty by pushing this switch right here.